Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Current Catalyst. 51st G7 Summit was held from June 15-17, 2025 in Canada. Let's learn in detail about G7 Summit and India's role. The G7 Summit is an informal gathering of the world's 7 most advanced economies, comprising Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, the United Kingdom and the United States. The European Union also participates as a non-enumerated member. History of G7 Summit. It was formed in 1975 as the Group of Six, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, UK, USA, in response to the global oil crisis. Canada joined in 1976, making it the G7. Initially focused on macroeconomic coordination, it expanded to address geopolitical concerns, climate change, and digital transformation. Purpose of G7 Summit. Provides a platform for advanced economies to stabilize markets, reduce inflation and ensure fiscal discipline. Drives action on global crises like climate change, AI regulation, cybersecurity threats and public health emergencies. Promotes liberal democratic values, gender equity and sustainable development. G7 Summit 2025. Date: June 15-17, 2025. Venue: Kananaskis, Alberta, Canada. Host: Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney. Theme: Protecting communities and the world, building energy security and accelerating digital transition, and securing partnerships for the future. Key discussions of G7 Summit 2025. Global trade and economic realignments. Energy security and transition to renewable energy. Governance of artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. Geopolitical security threats, including terrorism and regional conflicts. Russia-Ukraine war and Israel-Iran escalation. India's role in G7 Summit 2025. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the summit, highlighting India's stance against terrorism and emphasizing the need for global action. India and Canada agreed to restore full diplomatic ties and appoint new high commissioners after a meeting between PM Modi and Canadian PM Mark Carney. PM Modi also held bilateral talks with other world leaders, including French President Emmanuel Macron, German Chancellor Friedrich Merz and UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer. Thank you.